Today we got the Samsung Galaxy A53. The screen is broken as you can see the line. Let's now remove the SIM card tray and don't forget to do that. Alright, to open this device we are going to use the suction cup. I'm going to make a gap so I can put alcohol inside this pack. It's made from plastic. You could paint this plastic. Alright. Some with the alcohol will make the adhesive is very soft and it can be removed without even making any heat. It's just with alcohol. You should have some patience. Just keep adding some alcohol and everything will be fine. There is no rush while you are repairing for the customers. I'm going to replace a new full screen, comes with new frame. So the metal frame from the around will be changed to silver. It will be some different color. Keep putting the alcohol so the pack will be removed easily. As you see, I didn't make any heat using the heating gun. Also, it's from plastic. The heat could melt that. This is very important to know. Let's now remove all the screws from this device, from the top and then from the bottom. Also, unplug the battery. It's the first thing you should do every time. Let's now remove the loudspeaker. Alright. We have two flex cables down there and one at the top connected to the main board. Alright, the right one is for the screen and the left one connected to the charging sub. We need both to be removed. Also, we have everything to be removed because we are going to transfer all the pieces to the new frame. So, sort the black screws. The black as is the same screw. So, it's different from the silver. You have to put the black in its place. Remember that. Remove the wire antenna and we have the screen flex cable. You should also remove it from the subboard. Let's now remove the subboard. Also, don't forget to unplug the sensor, fingerprint sensor. Alright, this screen connector is it's a strong adhesive under it. I'm trying to remove it, but it won't remove. So with this one, I'm going to use what? I'm going to use the heating gun. I don't know what under it. So that's why I used alcohol. Alright, seems I'm under it. Alright, it's been removed. Now the charging sub has been out. Don't forget to remove everything from the old frame. The new frame comes with volume up, volume down, and the power button. Be careful with this sensor fingerprint flex cable. It could be damaged while you are remove it. I don't advise to put some alcohol to it. It may damage the sensor. Because I think it happens with me with the front sensors. It comes for during the calls. It will make the screen black when you put the phone near your face. So when I removing the frame or cleaning the frame, when I replacing the screen, I noticed some or not some few of the sensors is not working anymore. I don't know if I caused this problem to the customer, But also I don't know if the sensor has been damaged during when it go to ground or dropped to ground. So we don't know who damaged this. Alright, this is the ear speaker. Also be worry with the ear speaker. This is the vibration. It can be removed easy. There is nothing to be worried about. This vibration is very cheap and all do the same thing. But this ear speaker is different. The first time I'm seeing this ear speaker, I'm going to hit it from the back because I don't want to damage that ear speaker. It doesn't seem it's cheap, so we can replace it if we damage it. So I'm going to be very careful not to damage any piece of this device. I also advise you to do all the good things to remove all the pieces with a good shape and doesn't or don't make any damage to it. I'm also putting some alcohol to this flex cable. It's a small flex cable. I'm going under it, but it didn't work. So I'm heating the heating gun with 256 degrees for a few seconds just to go under this one. I need this one to be released from its place before trying to remove the loudspeaker, the ear speaker from its position. Alright. Seems still stuck, but it will be removed at the end. There is no sensors in here. The sensor is connected with the main board. Alright, some push and it's removed. I didn't make too much thing to remove it. Alright, I'm looking at it. There is some dirt inside it because it's making a hole to the front. So the dirt goes in there. Okay, let's remove this dirt and prepare to remove the battery next. We still have here just the battery, nothing more. Alright. To remove the battery also we need alcohol to remove it. You can put some alcohol, no need to use any heating. The heating is not functional now. The alcohol is strong with the adhesive. It make the adhesive not working at all. I'm pushing some of the area I can push. I need the alcohol to reach all over the adhesive so the battery will be removed easily. You can put some alcohol more and then you can push a little push, not too much. We don't need to bend the battery and we don't want to make an accident. The battery is a very serious problem if you deal with it. Some bent or hole or cut could make an explosion or some pieces throwing to you. So it's very important to be careful. Alright, the battery has been or being removed. Some push, as you can see the battery is still as it was. It's just the adhesive came to pieces. This is not important because we have adhesive to the new one. Alright, this is the old frame. We're going to transfer to a new frame. This is the new frame. As I told you, the frame will be different. It's not easy to get the same color. Alright, from a local retail. As always, we are going to test the LCD before assembling every pieces. So I'm going to put the mainboard, the subboard, because I'm going to connect the screen. So maybe I can't push the connector of the screen. I don't want to damage it. So it's stuck on the subboard. Alright, and this flex cable to make the phone power on and test if the screen is working and the touch is working. This an important thing we should do always before assembling the device, because if the screen is not working, the retail may not return the screen. So this is a good thing we have always to do before doing anything. This will just take maybe 5 minutes extra to do the job, and if you didn't do that, you could start just assembling the device back, and if you notice something is wrong, you have to disassemble it again. So few or minutes extra is better than nothing. You can see everything is working, the touch screen is working. After we do that, we will start assemble the device. Alright. Assembling the device is very an easy step. You're just going to reverse what you have done from the beginning. I'm going to remove everything from there, and then we'll start remove the sticker on the frame and then putting every piece where it's belong. As I told you, every sticker from the frame should be removed to put every pieces where it belongs. There is an adhesive under the sticker, also remain or keep these sticker, or no, not the sticker, the adhesive, so we can put every pieces from where it belong. Alright, I may have explained everything, but if you have anything you wanna ask, you can just write it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.